Hello class, this is your teacher Mr. McDougall with your next Premiere project tutorial. And as you might have guessed, based on the previous assignment, you are going to do a text reveal of your name for this project. So this is an example of what you'll be creating. You'll have a video clip of you moving across the screen and it will reveal your name as you move across. So just like that. So it is a project, so I don't have exercise files for you. Just like we did in the previous project, you'll need to get a partner, a camera, and a tripod so you can record your own video. Very similarly to the last one, you need to lock the camera on the tripod so the tripod doesn't move. You are the thing that is moving. The shot is static. You're going to move across the screen from left to right or right to left as we do the name reveal. Very similar to when we did the clone one. The only thing slightly different is make sure you're in a full or a cowboy shot like the one you saw with me. You don't have to be in a full shot if your feet are cut off like mine, but you want to be in a cowboy shot or nothing closer than a medium shot for sure. You don't want to be that close. You want to see your full body or most of your body for all of it. And also in this one, you can just walk across the screen if you want. You can move in a fun, creative way, or if you want, you can just walk because it'll be more difficult if you're moving in a crazy way or something. If you want to cartwheel across the screen and do it, you can. However, animating the mask will take a really, really long time if you do it that way. The bulk of the work is the mask animation, so if you just want to walk like I did in the example, that would be totally fine. And as normal, it needs to be about 5 to 10 seconds. So shoot your clips, save them to your computer, and bring them into Premiere Pro. So you have your first clip of you just moving or walking across the screen, either right to left or left to right, and then you will add your name. So then you'll type your name on the screen just like we did in the previous assignment. So then you have your name going across the screen. My mask is reversed right there. So you want to start your mask right before you come into the frame. So make sure you type your name on the screen nice and big, and then you'll start animating your mask right before you cross its path. So just like we did in the practice one, you'll do that. You'll draw your mask. You see I have my mask around right here. And it only needs to be clean where the back of your body is, where the text is going to be revealed from. So then you can start animating your mask. You can see how I move it, how the mask gets animated. Again, you just practiced this in the previous assignment. The only difference is now you're doing your name. Do either just your first name or just your last name. You do not need to do both. Don't do it on two layers. Don't do first and last name above each other. Just do one layer across. That's just your first name or your last name. So use all the exact same techniques that we just did in the previous lesson. You can see how my mask animates. As soon as your full name is revealed, then you can stop animating. But you want your name to be big. Don't make it super small on the screen. Your text shouldn't be really tiny like this. It should be really big, taking up a lot of space. Right in the center or even bigger, almost full screen. But make sure you have taking up a lot of space. You shouldn't be doing it in the corner. Your body should be full to a cowboy shot, something like that. Taking up a lot of space, just like my example. If you're not sure how big to go, then do it in the same example that you just saw with mine. Okay? So you'll edit that, you'll export it, and then you'll turn it into this assignment. And I'm super excited to see what you create. As always, have fun. Let me know if you have any questions.